Hey guys, welcome on this channel. This is Shreya Khanna and you're watching me on YouTube right now. Okay guys, your angels wants to connect with you. So this could be a message for specific someone and this is a collective reading. So make sure that you take what resonates and leave what does not. Okay, so your angels want to convey something to you, and I will see that what exactly is going on and what your angels could be trying to communicate with you. Okay, any of you who wants to book your spiritual readings, your lover reading, your marriage reading, you can connect me through WhatsApp. The number is given in the description box below, and you can book your tarot card reading course with me right now. The bookings are going on. Okay. Let's see what your angels want to communicate with you. I will also give you a solution or a remedy at the end of the video at the last message. Okay, let's see. Angels, connect with this collective tarot card reading and let me know what we have to tell the collective today. Okay. The meditation brings answers for you. Okay, so I will take one more card. This is your ready. Okay, so something with your angels are telling me that you have a very different vibe right now from others. Not just right now, but you have been very different with a connecting angel number 144 is coming to me as a very first number. So your taste is different, your picking things is different, your doing is different, so you're different. I'm also seeing the moon. I'm also seeing something that you do with your hair with two energies. Your angels are telling me that you're gonna be looking forward to connect with the divine. You face towards the divine, the first of all. So face towards your divine, face towards God, face towards bright light, be in the divine light. 222 is also showing me. Okay, there is something that you carry within, and I'm not saying that, you know, that old cliche thing that you have been hearing. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is there is an untapped potential within you that you are just now realizing and you're waking up to it. So you're waking up to your own untapped potential. I'm being seeing the colors pink and golden for you. Golden is something that is um helping you. So that's your support. Golden is your support energy right now. Okay, I'm getting with something that you're gonna be learning and earning something. So there is more like you could start your community very soon, or maybe you could be sharing with a particular community, with a set of people that you're gonna be sharing. You're gonna be making them learn so many things. So yes, do not be afraid of something. I'm getting that you're afraid of something. All you need to do is stop. Okay, stop, close your eyes very smoothly. You close your eyes and you go deep down to meditation and connect with your own soul. As you connect with your own soul, keep chanting your own god name. Okay, whosoever that you believe in, keep chanting that name. You can just say om, only that thing. With the 4 energy is also connecting here. So you're being told that angels are guiding you, angels are all in support with you, angels are all over the place. You can't even see them, you can't even, notice your angels doing something for you. Maybe some of you do, maybe some of you don't. So what is being told to you that look at these angels watching all over you, being in your space and guiding you, protecting you, and blessing you also. So what is coming to me as with your ready card? This is the golden angel. So color blue, color pink, color golden is for you. Plus I'm seeing the rainbows. So I'm getting that either you can fast, either you can just start fasting for something, because it doesn't matter that you want to fast or not. It is more like how you connect with your own senses right now. So the more you eat, the more more you're likely to get habitual of it. So all you need to do is break some kind of habits doing the fast, so your body is not habitual, because it becomes a little bit of how do we say that, it becomes a little bit of habitual, and it's hard for afterwards that after that you only can repent. So do it now and fast for some time. Maybe when you wake up you drink water, and then for half day till lunch you're fasting, right? And then you eat. So I'm not asking you to be hungry all your day, no, just a little bit of fast. So do it for a couple of days, right? And then let it go. Okay, so there is coming as fast. Your angels are seeing some kind of habits in you, okay? And those habits could become very, very unbreakable habits. After some time you're gonna be crying like, why did not I fast, why I did this to my health? No, take care of your health. And the first thing that you do is wash, like, go and have a bath. You wear good clothes, okay? And then sit in silence. Do not touch your phone. Like, there is some kind of a phone habit also that you have, so do not touch your phone. Leave your phone aside for some time. Even if there are special calls that are coming, no, just take half an hour, okay? Leave your phone and go to your roof, maybe go to your balcony, go to the park, and just leave your phone. Sit in silence. All, you don't even need to close your eyes, just sit in silence for some time. Universe is gonna connect with you, because you will be able to understand a lot of things, and that's what meditation is for you. Okay, sitting in silence is also meditation. Now, something that is telling me that you're ready to go to the next level, you're ready to go to um you know go and actually teach what you have learned all through your experience. I'm getting there is a very bright aura, bright halo that you're going to receive from God. So God is giving you something, and I see you with a golden this gown, okay? You could have some kind of, yeah, there is something that connects with fire. So fire energy is also there. In case you've been lighting candles, in case you've been doing some kind of havans inside your home, small havans, small pujas, that is gonna be beneficial for you. So yeah, something is happening, like Sunday is strong for you. So yes, there is something very, very strong for a fasting or health that is important for you. Leave your phone aside. Leave your phone aside every day for half an hour, and just let it be there. Okay, breathe. Your body needs to heal, your mind needs to heal. And especially stop watching reels or content over YouTube shorts, and every single time you're doing this on reels, and stop scrolling. This is your angels that are guiding you right now. Okay, so yeah, I don't make this information, guys, by the way. I'm telling you because every reading is different, and this is your angels that are connecting with you. I'll take one more card and then I'll let you go. Okay, there is a purple energy that is coming to you, and this is calling don't stop, with again golden gown. Okay, you are of the light. You need to be in a space. Yes, there is a wand in your hand. There is a yeah. So look at that. I'll tell you something. What you're doing is you're going on the right track. You are going on the right track. First, you're praying to God. Okay, there is God's energy with the rainbow that is being shown here in this one, where meditation brings the answers. Then I'm getting that you have this small halo with a rainbow, and that is saying you're ready. Okay, now we have you taking a command, plus there is a great this rainbow halo has become very, very bigger now. Okay, so you are going to achieve. So this is coming to me as you're going to achieve something, and don't stop there, keep moving on. Okay, so something with, keep moving on, keep letting it go, keep moving on is coming for you. Okay, something is also telling me you take the right steps, you do it for the God, and you help people heal, you help people understand and achieve a lot of things also with your teachings, with your whatever you have learned through experience. Keep that going. Okay, plus I see you, over the air, you're flying in the air, something like that. So this is giving me as a vibe that you could have some kind of experience through dreams. This is also telling me that you're gonna be guided when this happens. Okay, okay, is there any message regarding this? Yep, there is. Big and happy changes. This rainbow light, so all these cards does not have a rainbow light for sure. Okay, you have a rainbow light, you're gonna be, in abundance completely. Plus there is something that is telling me, I see you starting with a violet violet gown right now, then you shift to golden gowns. Okay, and then I'm seeing violet and golden gets mixed, and you have more than super energy in here with the big and happy changes. So whatever you're doing, first meditation brings you answers. Okay, close your hands like this, practice this for 5 minutes every day. Okay, I'm also giving you some kind of healing things that you can practice. Okay, do this every single day, 5 minutes. Okay, very easily. This is a namaste position. This is just folding your hands. You don't have to pray, you can just look through this, and you can meditate just by doing this, not doing anything, just folding your hands. This is your activity. Okay, this is your this is also two hands meeting, but this is more like your soul is within. So when you fold your palms, your soul is in here. Okay, and what you're doing is you're protecting your aura through this, you're protecting your heart through this. So keep folding your hands for 5 minutes every day. You can practice this. I do this, and I tell everything that I go through, because I have learned through experience. Sharing your wisdom is actually something that healers do. Okay, if you're a healer, share your wisdom more and more, because I see you doing that. I see you doing that. The very next thing, start sharing your wisdom. Okay, you are ready. And then I see this halo given to you by God is here on your head. Then you keep practicing it, you are being supported, and do not stop. This halo is shifting bigger and bigger, happening bigger for you. You are up, you're being lifted in the air from God. This is your dream experience. Then we have big and happy changes. So your aura is actually, very, very brighter, after this to this to this and to this. Okay, and very, very strong. I can see the cards, and I can tell you that of you're gonna create something. You're gonna create something of divine sort, divine nature. Okay, do not stop, because I see that you don't need anyone else. You don't need them. The more happier that you have imagined yourself that you would look this great on your marriage day, maybe this is your own life that you're getting this for yourself with the help of God and angels. So this is your angel reading for now. I wish you a very good luck. I wish you all the best for all the things that you do. I wish that a lot of new things come to you, a lot of new opportunities come to you. I wish that financial abundance is all around you. You are happy, your family is happy. Whosoever that you help in life is very, very happy and surrounded with the best and positive energies because of your help. And I pray this in the name of God, that anybody who has received this reading may find the right answers to keep moving forward and keep creating the positivity and best energies all through their life. I love you guys. Any of you who wants to have a personal spiritual reading, who wants to have your love reading, who wants to have your angel readings, or maybe divine readings, yes, you can contact me through WhatsApp. Okay, and we have a tarot card reading course. Get your tarot card reading course from me. It is very low priced right now. Very low priced means like very affordable, because it's a um beginner level. We will go towards this in the very right manner, so that you can learn your tarot card readings doing the right way. Lots of love. Radhe Radhe to all of you, and I will see you next time.